Hi everyone, I'm back and today I'm going to show you all how to make fried mushrooms. Here's what you will need. You will need panko breadcrumbs. That's right here. Here's what it looks like. You will need flour, and I have 3 eggs that I've beaten up well, and right here I have Portabella mushrooms. All right, that's what I'm going to use. You can feel free to use button mushrooms. I use those also. All right, I just wanted to use Portabella today, but the next time I do it I might use button mushrooms. It's really up to you, but make sure you use the whole ones. You don't want to get the kind that's sliced. All right, now over here, I have a pot of oil, and I have the oil filled halfway up the pan. Don't fill it up too high, because once we put our mushrooms into the oil will rise. So you want to make sure that you have your oil low enough so that it has room to rise. All right, so now I have this on a medium high heating up. First thing that you'll need to do, this is so simple and yet so tasty, guys. I don't know about you all, but I love a good fried mushroom. I love when you bite down into them. They're nice and crispy, and then you get that pop of the juice from the mushrooms. I am a mushroom lover, guys. And I know there's so many people out there that do not like mushrooms. They think that mushrooms are scary looking. It's funny because somebody was telling me that they're actually afraid of mushrooms. They said, They said, I don't like the way they look. And then she said, and frankly, I'm kind of scared of them. And I laughed. But there's people out there that don't like the look of mushrooms. My husband doesn't really like the look of mushrooms, but he eats them, you know. But, okay, here's what you do. This is very simple. Make sure your hands are impeccably clean. You're going to flour, just like so, okay? Flour the whole mushroom. Dip it into egg, just like so, all right? And then you're going to, let me turn this way a little bit, get the panko breadcrumbs all over the mushrooms, all right? Just like so. I'm going to do a couple of them for you, and then I'll put the video on pause so that I can do the others, and then I'll come back when they're all done. But look how simple. This is just how I did my fried shrimp. If you all haven't seen my fried shrimp video, this is the same exact ingredients that I use. The egg wash, the flour, the panko breadcrumbs, and you fry them in the oil. All right, but you don't season these mushrooms. You can season them as soon as they come out with a dash of salt and pepper, okay? If you want to. All right, so here's what you do. And I just have a plate. Let me zoom in over there. And I'm just going to set them on the plate, all right? I'm going to continue to do these. Back again into the flour. Very simple. Nothing hard here. Anything that I make, any of my recipes, nothing's hard. It's all so simple and yet so tasty, guys. I promise you. All right, see that? And then get your panko on there and you're set. And now, if it takes you some time, or if you want it to, you can put the ones that are done in your freezer. Just put them in the freezer on a rack until you're ready to fry them up, okay? Maybe on a cooling rack, or you can put them on a paper towel and just set them in there until you're ready to fry them up. All right? See that? That's what you want it to look like, nice and well coated. We'll do one more, all right? And they're all different sizes. Back in the flour. You'll have little ones, you'll have big ones, but I love them all, guys. All right. There you go, just like this. And make sure you get enough egg on there, because that egg will help to adhere the panko breadcrumbs. All right, so that's how we do it. I'm going to put the video on pause. We're going to get the rest of these done. I'm going to show you how to fry these bad boys up for all you mushroom lovers out there. I know you're out there. I can't wait to hear the comments. Okay, guys, let me finish this. I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, I'm back. Now, let me show you. Here's what they look like after you've breaded them. Got your panko breadcrumbs on there, your flour and your egg wash, just like this, guys. No hassle, no fuss, very easy. Now, let's chime in over here. I have my oil on a medium high. All right, and we're just going to put these in. And when they get nice and golden brown, you all know what nice and golden brown is. We're going to take them out. Now, right here, I have a cooling rack. And what the cooling rack allows is it allows air to circulate around your finished product. That way that the bottom doesn't get soggy or wet, okay? So we'll put the mushrooms on here after they're done. All right, so let's start putting these bad boys in. I'm going to put the bigger ones in first. Just like that. All right, and during the process, we will turn them, flip them a few times. Excuse me. Just like this. And I was talking to my son, and he said, we were talking about mushrooms, and he said, ooh, I haven't had those in a long time. And he was talking about years and years ago, I used to buy the frozen kind. And I believe that name brand was Farm Fresh. And they came in a green and white bag that you can buy from like Walmart or Kroger's. And they were so delicious. But there's nothing like making it yourself, guys. Making everything homemade. And that's what we're going to do today. We got homemade cooking. You hear me? And I'm so excited. All right. So I'm going to flip them just a little. There we go. Oh yeah, I am so excited. You want some fried mushrooms? I'm going to show you how to make them, guys. You mushroom lovers out there. I know there's other mushroom fans just like me out there. Beautiful. And they're almost done. They don't take no time. You know, this isn't raw meat that we're cooking here. This is just a vegetable, and all we're looking for is a golden brown color. No hassle, no fuss. Beautiful. And you see how you kind of have to work with them a little, flip them and turn them, because they're going to turn the way that they want to turn, because sometimes they're going to be stubborn. There we go. Ooh, and then I have a whole nother batch that I'm going to be making right after this one. And whatever dipping sauce you like. Hey, if you like ketchup, use ketchup. If you like ranch and ketchup mix, if you like sriracha, I'm using a sweet chili sauce today to dip these in. And I'm using a jalapeno ketchup. And I've bought both of them at Walmart. You can find them both at Walmart. And now sometimes I'll even dip these into ranch. Whatever your dipping sauce that you love to use that. Use what you like. These are almost done. Look at this, guys. Ooh, I'm so excited. Some of them you might have to hold down like this because of the keep flipping over. Because if you can't get one side brown, just hold it down like this. And hey, it'll get brown. This right here, fried mushrooms 101. If you never had them, give them a try. If your family's never had them and they love mushrooms, hey, make them for them. Look, this literally takes 5 minutes and that's it. 5 minutes and that's it. This is a good snack when you're watching a movie. When it's the weekend and you're watching your movie and you got some hot wings and fried mushrooms, hey, you're set, right? I can do zucchini sticks this way also. You take you some zucchini and you chop it up into like sticks, and then you dip it the same way in the flour, egg, and panko, and you fry it up, and it is so delicious. Oh, All right, this is done. Let me get a little taste of my drink here. That's good. All right. Look at this. That's what we're wanting. Let me see if I can bring it a little closer. I don't want to get oil everywhere. Let's see. Well, I'll show you after I take it out. Let's go ahead and turn it off. I've turned the stove off. And we're going to take it out. That's simple, guys. Fried mushrooms on the money. Yes. So excited. I'm going to go ahead and put the others in. All right. I'm going to take my oil off of the burner. Well, actually, before I do my other batch, I'm going to go ahead and plate these up and try them for you. Let you know what they taste like. I want to get them while they're still hot. All right, let me get a plate. My son's going to batter the other ones for me. We didn't get the rest battered up yet. Look at this, guys. Ooh, hey, you hear me? Woo. Oh, that right there. Beautiful. Now you want to make sure, look at this. Look at this. And what you want to do, check me out, guys. You want to put just a little bit of black pepper. Just a little bit, okay? And you do it while it's hot, it'll stick to it. Oh, look, I got the one that's not open. Hold on, guys. Hey, I'm really cooking in here. Things happen, right? Now I got the right one. A little bit of pepper. All right? A little bit more. And then a little bit of salt. And I'm only going to use a little bit. When you're frying things, you season it. As soon as it comes out, while these are a little bit hot, and your seasoning will stick to it. All right? That's a little bit of salt. And I'm ready, guys. Let's dig in. All right, let me get my dipping sauces. I have jalapeno ketchup. Let me reach back here. I got my sweet chili sauce. Hold on, guys, my camera. Sweet chili sauce. Let's move this out the way. And we are going to dig in. This is one heck of a recipe. So simple, so easy. All right, here we go. Thank you, God, for this meal. Thank you, Lord, for feeding me a meal today and all your blessings. Look at this. Take that bite right there, guys. Take that bite. Hold on, let me get a good picture. Take that bite right there. There you go. Let me give you a little bit of sauce. This is sweet chili sauce. There you go, right there. Oh, I see. I don't want to burn my mouth. Like I said earlier, you got that crunch. That's a beautiful crunch. And then you got that beautiful mushroom with just the pop of the mushroom juice in it. And it's so delicious. Bite that right there, guys. Woo. It's hot, but it is so good, guys. You hear me? All right. Let me get a little bit of this jalapeno ketchup on it. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look how beautiful. This right here is a winner. It's so good. Boy, I tell you one thing. If you all have never tasted the jalapeno ketchup, you have to try it. It's so good. And it's so good on a hamburger, guys. Make you a hamburger, put that jalapeno ketchup on there, and it's so good. Woo! I am so glad I got my camera back, guys. I was losing my mind. I could not wait to get my camera back so that I can make a video. I missed you guys so much. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Usually, when we get pizza, I'll ask my husband, I'll say, whatever pizza place we go to, because we like to try different pizza places. I'll say, he'll usually get pizza and hot wings. And I'll usually say, do they have mushroom? If they got mushrooms, I want a large order of mushrooms. Look at that. Right. I'm going to call my son in here so he can taste this. Hold on one second, guys. Okay, everyone, I had to go get my son because that's the one that was talking about he remembers eating them, but the ones he remembers is the frozen ones. So let's see what he thinks from these ones. Okay, go ahead and try it.
All right, let me check you out. Oh my God. I ain't even seen nothing yet. Hold on, let me show you how I do. That's great.
Great? Okay. All right, it's great. It passed the test, guys. All right. If you all enjoyed this recipe, hey, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. And make sure you press that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload one of these awesome videos. And as always, God bless. Have a great night. Thank you all for watching. Good night. I'm going to eat one more if you guys want to watch me eat this. I'm going to put jalapeno ketchup and sweet chili sauce on this one. Okay. And oh my, I can't explain it. It's so good. Love it. I'm so proud of these. I tell you one thing. It's 11:23 p.m. I have work tomorrow, and I told myself I have to make this video. I didn't care what time it was. Oh, I was going to make the video. These are so good. I'm probably going to go out and get me some more mushrooms and make some more tomorrow. Look at this one. Isn't that beautiful? You hear that crunch? So crunchy. And you get them when they're fresh right out the oil. Oh my goodness. Have a good night, guys. Good night.